Are you curious about how certain foods can help your body fight cancer cells? It's fascinating how what we eat can significantly influence our health. Our diets can be our first line of defense, especially in the battle against cancer. It's not just about eating healthily, but also about choosing the right foods. Foods that don't just fill our stomachs, but also starve those pesky cancer cells. Today we're going to explore 5 incredible foods that have been researched for their potential cancer-fighting properties. First on our list is the humble plum. Now don't underestimate this sweet fruit. Plums, aside from being a delightful treat, are packed with a power punch of health benefits. Particularly noteworthy is their high antioxidant content. Now, if you're wondering why that's a big deal, let me break it down for you. Antioxidants are like the superheroes of your body, always on the prowl to combat those villainous free radicals which, left unchecked, can lead to cell damage and potentially cancer. Now here's a fun fact for you. The plum's superpower isn't just limited to its taste. No sir, this fruit is also a covert operative in the fight against cancer. So next time you're strolling through the produce aisle, don't just pass by these purple powerhouses, give them the recognition they deserve and treat yourself to a plum or two. So next time you're at the market, don't forget to pick up some plums and give your body a delicious antioxidant boost. Next up, we have the mighty cranberries. They're not just for Thanksgiving anymore. These little red gems are packed with potent phytochemicals, substances that are believed to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. That's right, these berries are more than just a tangy treat. They're bona fide cancer fighters. Imagine them as the little red warriors in the war against cancer, marching in, shields up, ready to tackle those unruly cells. And it's not just about cancer. Cranberries are also known for their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. They're like the multi-talented artists of the fruit world. Plus, they bring a pop of color to your salads, desserts, and even your morning oatmeal. Talk about being a versatile performer. So why wait for Thanksgiving? Include cranberries in your diet and let them do their magic. Feast on these Crimson Crusaders and let them guard your health like the tenacious little warriors they are. Cracking into our third spot are walnuts. Yes, these brain-shaped nuts do more than just look interesting. Now you may be wondering, what's so special about these little kernels? Well, let me tell you, walnuts are like tiny superheroes, working tirelessly to protect your body from harm. They are packed with various compounds that are known to slow cancer growth. That's right, these little guys are playing defense for you every single day. But it doesn't stop there. Walnuts are also a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for brain health. So not only are walnuts helping to keep you cancer-free, they're also sharpening your mind. It's like they're brain food in more ways than one. Now isn't that a fun fact to crack open? So the next time you're looking for a snack, why not reach for a handful of walnuts? Who knew that something so small could pack such a punch? Go nuts for walnuts! Last but not least, we have a duo that might surprise you: purple potatoes and dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. No, we're not concocting a strange new dessert, but rather sharing 2 fantastic foods that can help starve cancer cells. Let's start with purple potatoes. These vibrant veggies are more than just a pretty face. They're packed with a compound known as anthocyanins. These are the same natural pigments that give berries their vibrant colors, and they're a powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. Anthocyanins have antioxidant properties and can inhibit the growth of cancer cells. So next time you're at the grocery store, give those purple potatoes a second look. They're not just for making your dinner plate look Instagram-worthy. Now let's talk about everyone's guilty pleasure, dark chocolate. It's high in flavonoids, which are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These can help reduce inflammation and potentially slow cancer growth. So here's the perfect excuse to indulge in some chocolate. Just remember, we're talking about dark chocolate, the kind with a high percentage of cocoa. Sorry, milk chocolate lovers, but when it comes to health benefits, dark chocolate takes the cake. Or should we say, the chocolate bar. So there you have it, folks. Sometimes, the tastiest treats can also be the healthiest. So, who knew that the war against cancer could be so delicious? We've talked about the power of plums, the courage of cranberries, the wonder of walnuts, and the double delight of purple potatoes and dark chocolate. All these foods carry potential benefits in the battle against cancer. As tempting as it might be to turn these foods into your personal army, remember they're not substitutes for professional medical advice. Remember, every little bit helps when it comes to maintaining our health. So why not give these foods a try? Until next time, stay healthy and eat well.